Who doesn't love price drops on tools? That's why today, we have made a list of the 10 coolest power tool deals that you can grab from Home Depot. So, let's not waste more time and see what we have. Let's start with the cordless string trimmer from RYOBI. If you're working with a medium-sized yard, this tool can really help make your yard work quicker and easier. It's an 18-volt string trimmer and edger, which means you get the freedom of cordless use along with a solid run time. In fact, it runs for about 55 minutes on the included 4.0 ampere-hour battery, so you've got enough time to handle most of your trimming tasks in one go. What makes it even more versatile is the adjustable cutting width, which you can set between 11 inches and 13 inches. This allows you to choose between saving battery life and getting a bit more power when you need it. Plus, switching from trimming to edging is super easy. Thanks to the pivoting head, you can make the change with just a quick twist. To make the trimming experience smoother, it also includes an auto feed line advancement system and a variable speed trigger, giving you more control when working around fences, flower beds, or tight spots. Well, this tool is currently available for $99, down from the original $149, so you're saving $50 right away. Next up, we have the DeWalt 20-volt MAX Cordless Jig Saw. This tool is perfect for anyone who needs clean, accurate cuts, whether you're working on a DIY project or tackling more serious carpentry. The thing we really appreciate of this tool is its variable speed control, which can go all the way up to 3,000 strokes per minute. That means you get the flexibility to cut through different materials like wood, metal, or plastic with ease and precision. And when it's time to switch blades, the all-metal keyless blade system lets you do it quickly, without fumbling around with extra tools. Another handy feature is the 4-position Orbital action, which lets you adjust how the blade moves so you can speed things up or focus on a cleaner, more controlled cut. And just to make things easier while you're cutting, there's a built-in blower that keeps dust away from your line of sight. Now, this jigsaw is available for only $99, which used to cost $199. That's a big $100 discount, so the call is yours. Third on the list, Milwaukee brings serious value with their M18 drill, driver, and impact driver combo kit. Whether you're tackling home projects or spending your days on the job site, this 2-tool setup is designed to handle both your precision tasks and heavy-duty work without skipping a beat. Inside the kit, you get a compact M18 drill driver and a 1/4-inch hex impact driver, both built with Milwaukee's reputation for power and durability. They're powered by the brand's red lithium battery system, which means you get longer runtime and more efficient performance overall. Plus, Milwaukee throws in 2 1.5 amp-hour batteries, a multi-voltage charger, and a contractor bag to carry it all, making it a ready-to-go setup right out of the box. This combo kit usually sells for $219, but right now, you can grab it for just $169 at Home Depot. Now, here's a deal that powers your tools and keeps you cool. The RYOBI battery and charger starter kit with a free Whisper Series fan. You get 2 batteries in the kit along with a charger. These aren't your average batteries. They offer up to 3 times the runtime compared to standard ones, and they're built lighter, so your tools feel more balanced and easier to work with. Now here's the bonus that makes it stand out. You also get a Whisper Series fan for free. It's not just quieter, 44% quieter, to be exact. However, it also moves 24% more air, which makes a big difference when you're working in warm spaces. It features 3 speed settings and a 160-degree pivoting head, so you can aim the breeze exactly where you need it. And the price? You're getting all of this for just $99. That's a huge drop from the original value of $262.94, saving you over $160. For that kind of package, power, comfort, and serious savings, it's hard to beat. For the hands-on DIYers and weekend warriors, this Ramset TriggerShot powder actuated tool brings some serious firepower to your projects. Priced at just $65, this tool is a great deal considering how much power and precision you're getting. When you're dealing with heavy-duty materials like concrete, masonry, or steel, this is the kind of tool that gets the job done right. The TriggerShot uses 0.22 caliber powder loads and works with fasteners from 1/2 inch to 3 inches. So whether you're anchoring drywall tracks, installing electrical boxes, or locking down plywood subfloors, it's got the muscle to punch through. It's a single-shot design, meaning it's super simple to use. Just load, aim, and fire. Plus, it comes with a cushioned grip for extra comfort when you're working through longer jobs. So, for small contractors or home improvement enthusiasts, this is one of those tools that instantly upgrades your kit without emptying your account. If you're working in a garage, attic, or on a job site, this DeWalt 20-volt Jobsite Fan is built to keep your workspace cool and comfortable all day. Despite its compact size, it pushes out an impressive 650 cubic feet per minute of air, giving you serious airflow wherever you set it up. Meanwhile, you can stand it on its own, hang it from hooks, or even mount it on a wall. And all these things makes it even more flexible. Plus, the variable speed dial allows you to fine-tune the airflow to your liking, whether you just want a breeze or a full blast of air. And when it comes to runtime, you're looking at up to 4.5 hours on high with the right 20-volt battery. This fan used to sell for $169, but now it's down to $99, which makes it not just powerful and practical, but also a pretty great deal. If you're just getting into DIY or need a reliable backup for your toolkit, the RYOBI 18-volt drill driver kit is definitely worth considering. It's a cordless half-inch drill driver that delivers up to 515 inch-pounds of torque, which means it has enough power for most household and light-duty tasks. Inside the kit, you get a 1.5 amp-hour battery and a charger, so you're ready to go right out of the box. The 2-speed gearbox gives you flexibility, low speed for controlled driving, and high speed when you need to drill through tougher material. And with its 24-position clutch, you can fine-tune the screw depth for more precise results. There's also a keyless ratcheting chuck for quick bit swaps and an LED light to keep things visible in tight or dim spaces. While this kit usually goes for $79, it's now available at $69, making it a smart grab for anyone who wants a capable, easy-to-use drill from a brand that's trusted by DIYers and pros alike. When it comes to grinding, the Makita 18-volt LXT brushless angle grinder truly holds its own. It delivers the power you'd expect from a corded grinder, but without the cord, thanks to Makita's efficient brushless motor technology. What really makes it stand out is its automatic speed and torque adjustment, giving you consistently smooth performance whether you're cutting, grinding, or sharpening. It's also built with active feedback sensing technology, a smart safety feature that shuts off the motor if the wheel binds or stalls, helping prevent kickback. Weighing only 5.6 pounds, this grinder feels balanced in hand, and the ergonomic design makes it comfortable for extended use. The slide switch with lock-on adds extra control, especially during longer grinding tasks. While prices might vary depending on where you shop, this grinder remains a solid investment for pros and serious DIYers who want reliable power, safety, and cutting-edge performance in one compact tool. The Milwaukee Cordless Random Orbit Sander is built for precision and ease. With a variable speed dial that goes from 7,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, it gives you the flexibility to match the sanding speed to the material, whether it's wood, metal, or composite. You get a smooth, controlled finish without having to apply much effort. And this sander comes equipped with a dust canister and filter, plus a universal hose adapter if you want to connect it to a vacuum. Swapping out sandpaper is easy too, thanks to the hook and loop sanding pad. At $149, it's a well-rounded package, especially when you consider the performance, solid build, and impressive battery efficiency. It's a reliable pick for cabinet installers, furniture makers, and anyone handling fine finishing work. And finally, say goodbye to getting stuck with a flat tire. Because the RIDGID 18-volt cordless inflator kit has you covered. It's quick, powerful, and super simple to use. Whether it's your car, truck, RV, or even your equipment tires, it can handle them all, pumping air up to 150 psi. The digital gauge lets you set the pressure you need. And the best part, it automatically stops when it gets there, so you don't have to stand around and watch it. It comes with a 2.0 amp-hour battery, charger, multiple nozzles, and even a 12-volt car adapter, just in case your battery runs low while you're out. It was originally $149, but now it's just $89, so you're saving $60. Whether you're at home, on a trip, or just want some backup in the trunk, this little kit brings a lot of peace of mind. So, that was all. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Got questions or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment below.